Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm sorry about the yellow lighting. The candles are on. It's getting quite late. I think it's like 9 o'clock at night. I don't have any professional lighting. I am being lit up by my MacBook screen. But you know, sometimes you've got to deal, and I'm going to be showing you my face mask collection just because I have built up quite a lot. I think I have a problem. But yeah, this is going to be my face mask collection and that kind of video. I might do like testing out videos in the future and showing you how they work and stuff like that, but a few of them are new and I haven't done much research on, so I don't actually know what they're like. But I'll start off with these ones that I got from Primark. They're just ones that come in these little cubes. As you can see, they were in the sale for £1. But they are Holla and Glow face masks, and this is a purifying peel off mask. I've got a gold revitalising mask, and then I have two of these sapphire firming masks, and then they also have a rose gold one as well, but I've used that. Then some more from Primark which were also in the sale are by the same brand, the Holla and Glow, and this is a female fine warming face mask. It just comes in like the Lion packet, and I just thought they were really cool, and for £1. They're meant to be usually £3. I've used one of them so far and I would have paid £3 for it. Like, I really liked how it worked, but to be fair, this is my problem. Like, I literally went in and I was like, face masks for £1, I need them. So I've got this drawer full of all of my face masks, so I'm going to start off by showing you ones in like packets first. So I've got loads of these Seventh Heaven face masks. They are some of my favourites, and most of them are kind of like the similar ones just because of my skin type. So I've got two of these Detox Away Oils and Impurities Hard Dry Mask, and they are for oily skin, so I've got two of those. I've got a Cleansing Detoxing Easy Peel, so exactly the same but the peeling one. I've got a Red Hot Earth Sauna De-Stress Mask, which looks like that, and then a Tea Tree Peel Off Mask for problem skin as well. Then I've got a few from Sephora. So I've got the Pearl Eye Mask, which is perfecting and brightening. I've got the eye and the face mask, one of those, and then I've got a green tea face mask as well. Then I've got this bubble mask, which I think I found in TK Maxx, but it's one of the ones that kind of like foams up and for purifying skin, which are really interesting. I've got a few from Soap and Glory. So I've got a Miracle Moisture Mask for dry and dehydrated skin, because I think for winter it's especially good to have a hydrating mask in as part of your routine. I've got two of the Radiance Boost Mask with vitamin C. So this is dull and lacklustre skin, and again in the winter I think these are great. These came in a Christmas set actually. Then I've got one of the Pore Refining Mask for oily combination skin. So I think I've got one of each of their face masks, which I didn't know they did, and now I'm quite impressed with them, so I want to try those. I've got two of these is it I'm Real? These kind of face masks that have like the vegetables on them. They always have these in TK Maxx. So I've got a skin purifying one, which is what it says, and then I've got a tea tree soothing mask as well. So if you can tell, like, a run through my theme of face masks is either hydrating or for problem skin. So I've got the Boots ones. I've got two hydrating ones of those. I've got a Radiance Brightening one. And then I've got an energising and revitalising one as well. Then last of the sheet masks, I have got a Moisture Bomb tissue mask, and I think this one is for combination skin, well, normal to combination, and this is what I have, so it's perfect. So if you couldn't tell already, I do have a lot of sheet masks, and they are the ones I kind of prefer, sheet masks and peel off masks, just because I hate having to clean them off after. This is kind of like a face mask. I have it in my drawer, but it's like the no strips. I use those usually when I have face masks on. I kind of put my face mask around it, but they're just in my drawer, and I have loads of different ones in there. Just because this one's from a beauty outlet, but I've got like the Be All ones as well. They're really good. Moving on to face masks that aren't tissue masks or sheet masks and peel off ones. These are kind of like all in tubs and stuff. So I've got the Pure Clay Glow Mask from L'Oreal. This is really good, especially when you take it off as well, because it's got kind of like a grit in it, so you get a good exfoliating. I've got a black mask peel off one, and this is kind of one of those that I got on a whim, because do you know the ones that you peel off, and on Facebook videos you see that they really hurt? Well, I got one of those to try it out. I've got a Sanctuary Spa 5-minute thermal detox mask. I think this is really good if you're wanting a spa evening and trying to like really relax. It's one of the heating ones as well, so that feels really cool. I've got one from the La Roche-Posay. It's the Epiclar Unclogging Purifying Anti-Shine Controlling Mask. That one's really good as well. It's kind of like a clay mask. I really like that one when my skin's not looking so great. I've got a Skin Optimizing Mask Primer from Origins. So I got that in a gift set, and like I don't really use it, to be honest. Then I got a set for Christmas from Sephora from my mum, because she knows how much I love masks, and it came with a few. So I got the tea tree one from Sephora and the eye mask from Sephora as well. They came in it, and then I'll show you what else came in it. That was a really good present. I enjoyed like getting that because it's something so thoughtful, because it was loads of different masks. So the first one is from Tata Harper. It's a resurfacing mask, and it just comes in like a little pot, and to be fair, like it doesn't look a lot, but I think it'd be a good 2 uses from that, and I think I've seen a few YouTubers using that. I also got the Dr. Bandit, and this is the magnifying mask. I've seen this so many videos of like people trying it out, and it comes with this little metal tool. I've also featured this on my Snapchat story, on my Instagram story, so if you follow me on there you might have seen me use this. It's really cool. It goes on like a thick layer, and then you let it on for how long, and you get this. You're meant to wrap a tissue around it. I didn't realise that. I tried to take it off, but you can't physically get it off the magnet. Yet you wrap this in a tissue and kind of like do this motion up your face, and it pulls everything out, which I think is absolutely incredible. But I looked at the price for it, and I don't know if I like it that much, so I get in that set. I got the Boscia Luminizing Black Mask, a peel off mask. Again, I love peel off masks, they're amazing. I got this in the Sephora set, and I have tried the Boscia, is it the Jelly Ball Cleanser, and I absolutely love this, so I hope this is just as good. It's just kind of in like the black squeezy tube, and this, you'll get loads out of this one. The Ren Evercalm Ultra Comforting Rescue Mask. I think this is like a hydrating, use 3 times a week or any time your skin needs urgent rescue. Yes, it's kind of like a rescuing mask. I think this would be good if your skin's like at the end of the week. It'd be good, and again it comes in a good size, so I think like things like this, you get 1 use and you can try it, but then it makes up for it because you've got bigger packets as well from that set. And then I think this came with it as well, because I've got 2 of these and I can't remember getting another one. So it's a Glam Glow Super Mod Clearing Treatment, and it's just one of the Glam Glow masks. I really love Glam Glow. They're just so expensive, but you know, I think you kind of pay for your skincare, like I buy into mine, and I think that's why I have got so many masks, because I like to try out and really treat my skin. So this is the Glow Mud Mask from Pixi, again a favourite of mine. I love the Pixi Glow Tonic and I love that too. I've got a few from Origins, so these are all miniatures that I got in Christmas sets, because I like to go into Boots after the sales, like away after the sales, like mid-January, and they have good sets on. So I got a Origins one last year, and then I got a Glam Glow one this year for like half the price. It was really good. So I got Clear Improvements Active Charcoal Mask, and it's just kind of, I think it's the one that like they're known for, or like that's the one that I knew. Then I've got a nighttime one, which is Drink Up Intensive Overnight Mask. This one's really good for dehydrated skin, or if you've done like, I use a lot of acidic products on my face, especially with Nip and Fab products, and sometimes it can overly dry my skin out, so I like just to lather that on a night, and it soaks in really well. Then I've got the Retexturizing Mask with Rose Clay, and it just looks like this. I haven't used this one as much, but it's pretty much just like a clay mask, to be honest. Then, so as I was saying, I got a Christmas face mask gift set this year from Glam Glow, and I think it was £23, which I think is incredible because of the amount of masks that I got. They are smaller sizes, but I've had one of the small size before, and I think I got 3 uses out of it because I use it quite sparingly. So if you counter that in, I mean, some of the sheet masks you only wear once and they're like £4 or £5, so you kind of put it like that, usually you get value for money in this set. So I got a Glam Glow Hydrating Treatment, and it's just in like the largest one of the samples, I think. And then I got 4 smaller samples, which I already had one of these, so I've got 2 of them now. I've got the Glam Glow Tingle Exfoliate Treatment Youth Mud Mask. So I've got 2 of those now. They're really cool, they tingle on your face, they really feel like they're working. I'm definitely one of them people that uses products when they feel like they're working. And then again in this set I got another Glam Glow of the clearing treatment, and when you put that on it's like really shiny, you look like a little robot. I like that one. And then I got one that's a firming treatment as well, it's just in a purple package. I don't know if that's going to focus. So yeah, that is my face mask haul. Well, not haul, like my collection. I do think I'm going to grow it, because I buy them and then I'm like, oh, I don't want to use them, especially with the sheet masks. I think, you know, I like to be able to go over and see choice when I'm there. But yeah, they're definitely my favourite thing about skincare at the moment is face masks. I think I use one like every other night at the moment. I think they're just really good to incorporate into your skincare routine. And usually, like, because I do use acids, I use like a hydrating face mask after, or if like my skin's feel really dry, then I can go grab a hydrating one. I just think it gives you that extra piece of moisture. And I think the sheet masks work well as well, because it kind of traps it into the skin, so your skin like has to absorb it. I don't know if that's how it works, because obviously like I'm not an expert, but that's kind of what I feel like. And then I like to have the clay masks as well, because they're great for oily skin, just to soak up any excess, and multi-masking as well. It's just great when you've got loads of choice, because you can be like, right, I need a clay mask and then I need a hydrating mask. It's just, I love them. Gonna look out for some more, and if you know any cool masks, like interesting ones, I'm really into the Korean beauty face masks at the moment, like the rubbery ones that they have. I do keep my eye out in TK Maxx as well, because you can get a lot of the interesting ones for cheaper in there. But yeah, that is the end for this video. I'm gonna go put all my face masks away, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.